and reliable show, the Eduk Show. So today, we're expecting incredible and intelligent guests that will discuss performance-based assessment, assessing effective learning, and a TPAC. What are you waiting for? Grab your notebook and pen, listen and learn. Dan, please introduce our guests.
Thank you, Joy. So now, allow me to introduce to you our first two guests. From Avila, a BE in third year, a future educator, Miss Jessa Ruel. The next guest is from Matabao, a mother of three, BE in third year, a future educator, Miss Cheche Sayas. There you have it. Back to you, Joy.
Thank you, Dan. So to start,
Manchester, what do you mean by performance-based assessment? Is it talks about and how or the process in assessing the performance of the students? What is it all about?
Yes, you have a point there, Miss Joy. Basically, performance-based assessment, it is a set of strategies for the age acquisition and application of knowledge, skills, and work habits through the performance of tasks that are meaningful and engaging to students.
yes, thank you, Miss Jessa. How about you, Mrs. Cheche?
When we say performance-based assessment, it is a system of learning and assessment that allows students to demonstrate their knowledge and skills in learning environment that embraces their higher order thinking skills as well as relating it to real-world situation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next question. Is that how are we going to assess the performance of our students? Is there any specific tools that we need to utilize, Ma'am Jen?
Yes, we can assess our students' performance by creating assignments, creating exams, using classroom assessment techniques, using concept maps, using concept tests, and assessing groups, and also creating rubrics.
Thank you, ma'am. How about the necessary things that an educator must keep in her mind in assessing the performance of their students? Miss Jessa?
That's a very good question, Ma'am Joy. So, when planning for performance-based learning, keep in mind that the content and instruction do not have to change, but instead of assessing the students' knowledge from the content, the student is allowed to demonstrate what they have learned with proper preparation and planning.
Thank you, ma'am. PBA is really important to the educational field to measure the abilities and skills of our students. Thank you, Ma'am Jess, for this wonderful idea today and giving us additional knowledge about performance-based assessment. Alright, we will be right back after the short break. Stay tuned because we have another guest that will tackle about assessing effective learning and TPAC. Welcome back to the Eduk Show. So earlier, we have talked about performance-based assessment. So now, we are going to talk about assessing effective learning and TPAC. Dan, please introduce our guests.
Thank you, Joy. Our first guest is from Abungong, a BE in third year, our future educator, Miss Jonalyn Ray. And our second is from Buena Vista, a BE in third year, our future educator, Miss Diane Jane Esplagara. There you have it. Take it away, Joy.
Okay, Ma'am Ray, can you tell me what is assessing effective learning all about?
Assessing effective learning outcomes is an assessment based on students' attitudes, interests, and values.
Yes, it's very interesting, Ma'am Ray. It's like teachers are assessing the emotional aspect of their learning. Very top job of a teacher. Ma'am Diane, I'm also interested with your topic now, the TPAC, which stands for Technological and Pedagogical Content Knowledge. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, you're right. TPAC is a technology integration framework that identifies three types of knowledge instructors need to combine for successful EdTech
Thank you, Ma'am Diane. Remember 8. There are 5 levels of affective domain in hierarchical structure. What are those?
Yes, the 5 levels of affective domain are receiving, responding, valuing, and characterizing. It is the form of hierarchical structure in which from simple to complex, just like this image.
Thank you for that, Ma'am Ray. Going back to CPAC, Ma'am Diane. CPAC framework was introduced by Punya Mitra and Matthew Coiler. What is it all about?
Can you look to the diagram? Content knowledge or the seeking. For this lesson, you'll need a solid understanding of cell anatomy and processes. Pedagogical knowledge or the PE. In this lesson case, you'll need to understand best practices for teaching middle school, science and school group of collaboration. Technological knowledge or the TK. For this lesson, students will need to label a diagram and present, so the ability to fill in the blanks with an answer key. Find images from the internet, create slides, etc. are important. Keep in mind that this is not the same as having knowledge of each of the 3 primary concepts individually. Instead, the point of PPAC is to understand how to use technology to teach concepts in a way that enhances student learning experiences.
Thank you, Ma'am Diane.
Alright. Thank you very much, Ma'am Diane and Ma'am Ray, for sharing this knowledge to us and to our viewers. And I know that we learned a lot of things coming from our guest today that is very useful to our all educators. Right then?
Yes, Joy, my notebook is already full with the knowledge that our guest shared to us. Alright.